What's up, everyone? Welcome, and welcome back to Ready Kid Foods. Guys, it's your channel, Ready Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, African traditional recipes, modern recipes, breakfast tips, easy recipes, travel and events. If you are new in this channel, please view my videos in Ready Kid Foods. If you love them, like them, share with your friends, and remember also to switch on your notification bell so that whenever posting a video, you will be among the first people to get my videos. Yes, this channel has amazing videos. Like today, I'm coming back with a recipe. I know most of you, or in this channel, I've already done some pizzas, and today I want to share with you on how you can make pizza without kneading. That is, we are going to use toasted bread in making pizza. So this is called toasted pizza bread. So come with me, let's cook together. These are the ingredients I have here. I have my breads here. I'm going to toast them and then use them for the pizza. I have tomato paste here, I have tomato sauce here. And remember this pizza, I'm going to use beef. I have a protein here called Nyama Bite. So this it's beef. I have my red onions. I have my bell peppers, the red, green, and then I have my cheese here, and I have my butter here to grease or my bread. So stay tuned. With my bread, I'll start by trimming these other sides so that it doesn't irritate you when you're enjoying your pizza. So you have to cut out these other parts so that they can stay like this. So I'll continue doing that. And lastly, so if you want to be faster, you can just do them both at once. But because I wanted efficiency, this is why. So this is what I'm going to use to make my pizza. So stay tuned. I'll start by toasting. By buttering one side of the toast. So guys, if you run out of breakfast idea, this can really serve you for easy breakfast, and you can also use it as a snack as well. Very, very tasty, guys, and simple to make. The reason why we are toasting the other side, this is the side that we are going to use into the baking pan. So after doing this, guys, this is my baking pan. I will lubricate. Then now arrange your bread well. So guys, that is it. After that, my tomato paste, brush the tomato paste on the surface. Now with the help of tomato sauce, let's look at how appetizing it looks before I'm done with my toasted pizza. Make sure you spread the tomato paste and the tomato sauce evenly and well. Then here you are, some mozzarella cheese, below it first. Then come with the onions. Then come with me. Make sure you distribute them well so that you can feel them when you're eating. You feel them well distributed in your pizza. So next, my Nyoma bite recipe. So cut it in circles. So guys, come with me. So guys, this is pizza toast bread. And finally, we'll add in some mozzarella on top. We'll top it up with some mozzarella. And guys, now this is my pizza toast bread. So I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes and come in. So Mm. 20 minutes at 100 degrees. So guys, my pizza is done. So guys, my pizza toast bread is here. It is done, and you see, because of by lubricating down there, so it's not sticking at all. Pizza toast. You can see this, guys. So guys, this is my pizza toast bread. It's looking so nice, so yummy. So far so good. It's really tasty, guys. Please just try it out, and if you love it, just give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Throw your comment down there, share as much as you can. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.